Let me turn this TV down because Kaden's watching cartoons. So I've been in Texas for 2 days now. And y'all, it's been a hard couple days because my main reason for coming down here was to help my mom. She was having surgery, so really wasn't technically a vacation. Yeah, not really a vacation, y'all. So, but anyway, the stint of this room, we're getting up out of this room now because she has another appointment, a follow-up appointment today. And that's where, and we're leaving. We're driving out of Dallas. We're actually staying around the medical district, UTI South. I don't know the name of the hospital, but it's like one of the biggest hospitals in Dallas. So we're leaving this room and we're driving to San Antonio. So I'm hoping to have some fun in San Antonio, y'all. That's what I'm hoping, because it's been hard. Wait till I sit down and tell y'all the story of how I got here. So we're driving, we're road tripping, and we're gonna stop off in Waco because I want to see Magnolia Farms, because I like Joanna Gaines, y'all. Love me some I like home renovation stuff, so I want to see Magnolia Farms while I'm here. So yeah, that's our next stop. Well, no, actually our next stop is the hospital, then breakfast. I don't know where I'm gonna eat it, but yeah, that's what's going on right now.
This is how you work the windshield wipers. Look, I think.
The windshield wipers?
No.
Couldn't teach me how to use a car because I have no clue. You should have seen me, y'all. Trying to start the damn car, because you got to put your foot on the brake to start the car, and I didn't know that because I don't have a new car, y'all. I'm gonna get a new car though. So we're right across from what is this called? UT Southwestern. You know, I couldn't get the hospital right, and my mother got an appointment, a follow-up appointment today. So you're waiting on her. Can't don't mess with the windshield wiper.
Is there a way like to make this screen like to clean the window like our car? Whatever you spray the window and you clean.
I have no idea.
Because you just have to do like. Oh, it's cold.
Oh my God! Stop.
It does do that.
Anyway, and then once she gets up out of here, nobody wants to eat breakfast, so I don't know. I might just go find me a Starbucks, and then we're gonna get on the road. We is up. I'm done with Dallas, y'all. I'm not too fond of Dallas.
Mid
Yeah, this is not a city that I would live in. Maybe because we're from like a really big city, Chicago. So we always try and find a place that is.
Dallas is mid. Don't come here.
I think it's okay. You're just trying to find a city that is comparable to where you live, or a suburb, or a suburb that's comparable to where you live. Because I'm still looking. Only place that I found that I remotely even like to live is Atlanta, is Georgia, because it reminds me, like certain parts of Georgia reminds me of Chicago, where I live at, you know, the suburb that I live in. So that's what I'm looking for. I need to get my shit together so I can move, y'all, because I am tired of Chicago.
You mean Dallas?
No, we don't live in Dallas. I got my hair is so dry down here, like dry. My skin is dry. My hair is dry.
Still like,
it's just dry.
my hair is still moisturized.
Yeah, I don't know the weather, because it's been 100 degrees every day that I've been here, and we've been here since when? We've been here since What's today? Today's Friday. We've been here since
Monday.
No, Tuesday. We've been here since Tuesday. And we really haven't been doing anything. We've been like getting in the pool, take my mother back and forth to the hospital. What? No, you're not using my hotspot. Jesus. Because I don't like you that much.
Please.
Let me go, y'all. Because Kate get on my nerves. So, I just made it to Waco, Texas. We just made it to the Shilohs, which is Magnolia Farms. So we just gonna walk around, sightsee a little bit. And yeah, this is it. Are at the Riverwalk in San Antonio, hanging out. We just came back from the mall, but think about going to get a pizza.
We ain't get no Auntie Annie's.
They don't have Auntie Annie's, Kaden.
They bogus. They don't got no Auntie Annie's. What mall doesn't have Auntie Annie's?
You want pizza?
What kind of pizza?
Cheese
not
pizza.
That mid pizza that we got.
We're in a whole different city, Kaden. We're not in Dallas anymore. So it's hot, y'all. Hot.
I think it's tacking it up.
Elevated. No, we did. Let's see.
Maybe we already went and we just passed it.
We didn't. Y'all, we had to make a pit stop at the Hyatt because it's too hot. It's so hot out here. I've been in Phaeton. It's like over 100. So I think the next time I come to San Antonio, I'm gonna be staying here. Cause it's nice here, y'all. It's so nice. Let me flip the camera around. Y'all see how cute that little dog is. I think they'll let me take it home. I'm taking a picture of the dog because it's cute. I like that little dog. I bet you don't get no bigger than what he is. So we just made it to the Alamo, y'all. And you know what? We're underneath the tree because it's so damn hot. Kaden don't want to be on video. He's being weird. Let me show y'all.
Got fans.
What kind of fans, Kaden?
Why can't we go in? I want to see what it looks like.